Hello YouTube. Welcome to Roaming Rob Rides. Now, this is just a little short video testing the microphone placement inside my helmet. Now, I've bought myself a DJI mini mic, and for the past 3 days I have been trying to test all the different settings, different helmet placements, and as of yet I can't quite get it right. Absolute chaos here. Traffic lights. Turn that indicator off. I'm beginning to wonder if I need to buy the DJI Mic 2, and the DJI Mini Mic is not quite up to the job of being inside a helmet. If anybody else has any hints and tips on how to get better sound quality out of a mini mic, post it in the comments below. What a beautiful bike this Bonneville T120 is. Just so easy to ride, comfortable, lots of low down power, sounds fantastic. These aren't the standard exhausts I've got on. I've removed the pea shooters and put on a pair of Hitchcock slip-ons. Miss second gear. Head down, hold on.